As homeowners and parents of a 7-year-old boy, Dan and Molly Forrestner appreciate what their home in Harmony, Florida provides them in both their working and personal lives. Dan works in the building industry, and Molly is a virtual school teacher.
My home is really important to me. I spend most of my time here being a virtual school teacher. I work out of my home office, and then of course I raise my son here, Daniel, and then soon to be another son. So it's really important for us to keep it up to date, so I have a good working environment and a home environment for my family.
Molly and Dan had struggled for years to expand their family, but now they've succeeded. And that means they need to make their home baby-friendly for a family of 4.
I'm having a brother and I'm super excited.
This was previously our guest room and now it's going to be the nursery, so we're really excited to add some personal touches to it.
Yeah, we're going to be installing some crown molding. We're going to change the hollow core doors over to solid core doors, so it'll keep this room a little quieter for the baby.
Molly and Dan's concern for upgrading their home is every young parent's need, and they found everything they need to do it at their local Builders FirstSource.
Many homeowners want to upgrade their home to add some personal style as well as add some extra value to the home, and you can do that by upgrading your interior doors and adding some millwork features. Builders FirstSource has showrooms where customers like Dan and Molly can come in and have a hands-on experience in choosing those products. And with there being so many millwork selections, we have experienced sales associates that will help them pick the products they need for the project they have.
For Molly and Dan, this is an opportunity to choose the right quiet door for baby and the right color and shapes for moldings and decor, with additional approval from son Daniel, of course.
Yeah, we're looking at this one here. Do you like it?
Uh-huh.
Builders FirstSource is a Fortune 500 company with over 400 locations in 40 states and Alaska. That means a wide range of interior trim options and upgrade building products from a large company, but also the personalized attention at the local level to help customers like Dan and Molly in the actual installation of interior trim products in their home.
We're going to replace that door, that door, that door.
Our goal is to offer a solid value to the customer with potential design and installation services. We have professional installers and project managers that give you that personalized service to make sure that your job is done correctly and to your satisfaction. Dan and Molly have chosen to upgrade their doors to a solid core interior door to help with sound transmission. So while Daniel's in another room playing, Molly can have that quiet quality time with the new baby. The family has chosen to add some millwork features like crown molding and wainscoting to give that nursery their personal touch. We understand the challenges of choosing the right product for the right job. And no matter the size of your project, big or small, we want everyone to know that Builders FirstSource is your first source for your building needs.
With remodeling upgrades completed and a variety of interior trim options installed throughout the home, Dan and Molly are finally ready for that new addition to the family. And they couldn't be more happy.
Door solid just like you asked for. What do you think?
Looks great. Exactly
Excellent.
what we wanted.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
To learn more about Builders FirstSource and its complete line of interior trim options, go to their website, bldr.com, or go to designingspaces.tv to see this portion of the show again.